folder for Windows NT 3.51, and this is my totally legitimate disk image. This is a hard drive image with MS-DOS 6.22 on it. Actually, it's the Windows 3 hard drive with all the Windows 3 stuff removed. And so we're going to have to make some floppy disk images. So dd /dev/0, which is no lights, f equals disk1.mg, bs block size 1024 kilo, that means 1 kilobyte, and then count equals 1440 because that's the size of a floppy disk. And let's do that again, 2, and disk 3. Alrighty, so let's look at our command. So QEMU system out36, it's 32-bit. CPU is a 486 because Windows NT 3.51 doesn't run good on QEMU's emulation of newer processors, doesn't work with Windows NT 3.51. Then the floppy disk is the first disk, this one, and then the CD-ROM is the totally legitimate CD image and the hard drive. We're going to boot from the hard drive to start off with, and then this ISA network card because that's the one that works with Windows NT 3.51. Let's start up QEMU. Again, it's DOS. Alrighty, so first we need to format our disk images. So format A, format another, yes, and then we're going to switch to, we need to go like that. Then when we change floppy 0, we need to change it to disk 2, format disk 2, here it is, disk 2. Format that one as well, and then we're going to format another, and this time we're going to change it to disk 3. There we go. And we don't need to format another, so D, we're going to, see, this has got code for PowerPC, MIPS, and i386, so we're going to need to put CD i386. We need to run winnt.exe, and the files are there, and then we're going to search a disk 3, so let it copy the files that it needs to set up enough to run the actual installer. And then we're going to put disk 2 in, and we're going to put disk 1 in, and that will be the disk to boot once the files are all copied over. And now I'm just going to copy stuff to the hard drive. There we are. And I'll just skip over this because it's kind of long. With the power video editing, I'll jump to the end of the copying process. Alrighty, the MS-DOS-based portion of the setup is complete. Alright, put the boot floppy into drive A and press enter. Oh no. Alright, we need to edit this and we need to change it. You can get rid of the CD-ROM now and then boot from A, which is the floppy disk. Alright, now here we have the setup. Alright, now we need to switch to this drive, to disk 2. Isn't it easier to do this in newer versions? Anyways, to set up, press enter, press C. For a custom setup, yes, detect mass storage devices. That would be put disk 3 in the drive. Mass storage devices, that's like hard drive and CD-ROM. Alrighty, found the drives, go to CD-ROM and the hard drive. Alrighty, to specify other stuff, press this, or, yeah, say that. Alright, yeah, mouse port, that's PS2, US keyboard. That's what I want. Yeah, standard PC, that's what we want. Let's see, to install, yeah, I want to install it on C. I want to leave it intact. I don't want to change it to NTFS. I'm going to install it in Windows rather than NT 351. And then skip exhaustive examination of the hard drive because it's a disk image. It's already been checked over by the actual operating system, macOS. And it copies files, but it's not that much. And then time to restart your computer. So now it's time to change it again. So we get rid of the floppy disk and then boot from the hard drive, which is C. There we go. And then okay. And here we are. We're in Windows NT setup. There we go. WNT 351. Yeah, that's fine. Don't set up printers. Don't do the readme files, but yeah, all of these. Okay, let's continue with this. Network card choices. I'm gonna have it detected automatically. Yep, Windows for workgroups crashed trying to load the driver for that, but Windows NT worked. Yep, that's right. Continue. Yeah, it's fine. And then, yep, TCP/IP, connectivity, utilities, and enable DHCP. No need to do any of those other stuff. Alrighty. This setup's actually pretty quick, but I'm probably gonna maybe cut out at least a little bit of it, probably. Alrighty. Alright, I think that's all we need. Yeah, that seems like that's about all we need. Alrighty. Yeah, let's do that. Alrighty. Let's do this. Administrator, no password. skip doing another local user. And yeah, we'll do the recommended size here. Yep. Yeah, because you can't change it to something else. And that one, yeah, we'll do that. And we'll just add all of these. Oh. Do I have some extra crap on the hard drive? Let's see. Oh, wait. I'm not on GMT. I'm on Eastern Time. Not Eastern Europe. Eastern Time, United States. Oh, here it is. Eastern Time and automatically adjusts for DST. That's right. Yep. Can't do anything better than this, huh? Yeah, well, that's fine. That's everything. Alright. Let's hit OK. Save a configuration. No. Live dangerously. Alrighty. So we should be able to see that this is in fact working. Alrighty. Press Control Delete to log on. This goes all the way up to Windows 2000 Administrator. Alright, let's see what all is in the control panel. Huh. Well, I guess this is pretty much the same as with the other one. Alright. Let's see. What am I doing next? There's games. Free Cell Mine, Super Solitaire. I've already shown all of them in the Windows 3 video if you're interested. Windows 3 I didn't. Oh, I'm gonna see. Got extra IE crap around on the hard drive. Oh, let's get rid of that folder. Doesn't look like I have any of that stuff. Well, yeah, it doesn't look like it. I'm just gonna delete all of these IE craps. Alright, well, let's see. Oh, smart drive. Oh, right. This MS-DOS editor has mouse support and everything. But it's, so this is the same MS-DOS editor that's in later versions of Windows as well. Time to copy over some files. I'll shut this down, open up the hard drive. I've shown that enough times. Alrighty, getting back into WebMu. Alrighty, Windows into Workstation. Control Alt Delete to log on. So now we're going to go to the file manager. And if you see where I said copied, these are stuff that I copied over. And well, let's do first the service pack 5 update.exe. You just need to run that. Most working well, yeah. Alright, so now skip to the end. Alrighty, so now we need to restart to run the updated system. Alrighty, it's back. Alrighty, press Control Delete to log on. Okay, now we got that out of the way. Now we want to install WinZip. Run setup.exe to install it. Now, yeah, let's install it today. Alrighty, that was fast. Next to continue. Alrighty, start with WinZip Classic. I want to do that. It's custom setup out. Let's see. Oh, whatever. Alrighty. Huh. Let's see. Alright. Alrighty. What did he? Well, we're not gonna need to do that right now. Got some more. If you can see, I got some web browsers. The oldest now, it was in the middle, is Internet Explorer 5.0. In fact, Windows for Workers 3.11 can only run the 16-bit version. So let's install that. Let's set up that. Set it up like that. Alright. So now we got the installers setting up itself. And let's go click standard installation because we don't want to mess with the dialer. I got really annoyed at that. Now it's doing it on Windows 3. Yeah. Let's see. Let's install all of these stuffs. Or wait for it to install all of these stuffs. Yeah, you can only run the 16-bit version, unfortunately. Alright, yeah, that's fine. I have to reboot it now, unfortunately. Alrighty, wait a minute. I want to restart it, yeah. Oh, there we are. Oh, why are you messing with the systems folder? Stupid Internet Explorer. And I'm not on Pacific time, what the heck? I'm on Eastern time. Is daylight savings time in effect? It's in the spring, so I guess I don't think so. Let's do that. There's not really anything to show. I mean, it's the same one. So this one is gonna crash if it runs all the way through. So we're gonna you need to click stop right quick so it stops loading, and then you can either set the home page to something that works, or you can just click use blank and I'll do that to about blank. I'm gonna do that. Alright, and hey, there you go. And again, can't make the secure connection because yeah. Oh, well, we'll figure it out. Not really any point to doing that. It's the same as, wait a minute. Now I'm curious. Can it run? Yeah, no, only SSL and PCT. But PCT is in the middle of SSL 2 and 3. So anyway, there we go. And yeah, it's for everybody. Alright. What I'm doing. Alright, so now it's time to install Opera. It's 4.01, which is slightly newer than the 3.62 that you can run on Windows 3 regular. But other than that, there's not really anything. I mean, you install Opera. Yeah, blah, blah, blah. Alright. It's trialware just like the one for Windows 3. Let's not try to do that. Alrighty. Alright, well, it only comes up with the uninstallers, so of course, close out of that. We need to create a new program item for the actual program itself. So, like that. You can do that, and it runs. Yeah, disable Java. No, I don't want to see installation instructions. See, it's basically the same thing. That does this kind of thing. What is the type? I'll just cancel that. Close out all of these and close out the sidebar. Create a new window, put it like this. Then we'll save the windows. We're not going to save the windows. And if you remember, there's one more browser, and that is Netscape Navigator. But Windows NT 3.51 could actually run up to Firefox 2. So we're going to do that instead of Netscape Navigator. So, well, first we'll do the obligatory stuff. Look, the page is on. Look, it's not working, okay? It's pretty much standard. Just detect. Yeah, so we're under files. So, yeah, doesn't look that great in. So maybe if I increase now. Alright, so Firefox 95 is the one I want. Let's just save that to disk. Ah, shoot. See if this works. Oh, get rid of that. If it don't work, well, I'll just, it's not save from distance. Well, if that don't work, well, I'll just download it with Internet Explorer. Internet Explorer is the browser you use to download Firefox. Yeah, well, I mean, in this case, yeah, it is. The Firefox version isn't even from 2010. This is Internet Explorer from 1999 used to download Firefox from 2007. Alright, here we go. So we're just going to save that to the disk. Firefox 9.zip. And we're going to save it to, let's save it to here. Alright. Yeah, I guess it's not expecting such fast internet, huh? Anyways, alright, download. Let's get out of this, out of that. Open up the file manager. Oh, look at that. So we're going to open that with this. Extract. Actually, yeah, let's make a new folder. Actually, this is just an installation of Firefox that was made because I couldn't get the installer to run. Let's do like that. Do that, and then we're going to click all files. Yeah, let's do that. So now we're extracting the entire Firefox with WinZip. Yeah, Windows NT 3.51 has absolutely no zip integration, so you have to use WinZip instead. If you install 95 plus though, on 95 or 98 plus, you can get that, and then MEN 2000 also integrated. Don't know about NT4 though. Presumably, since the NT series was aimed at businesses, it wouldn't have a plus package. But I don't know. Add some DLLs to be able to run the Firefox. So if you look up Beta Archive Forum, YouTube, Windows NT 3.51, you'll be able to find this topic here. And in these guidelines for Windows NT 3.51, it has this Microsoft Libraries Update version 2. And that's really all you need. So it says installation, blah, blah, blah. But I think you'd probably be better off extracting the files with WinZip or 7-zip on Windows, or I use the Unarchiver, but you could probably also use Stuff at Expander on Mac. And through the magic of already having done this, I've got it downloaded here, and then I extracted it to here. Then you need to extract these speu_1.cab, and it comes here. And then in this OS system folder, you need to copy all of these stuffs to the system32 directory in your Windows NT 3.51 install folder. So obviously I'm going to have to create the program group manually. Just go to it common. Call this Firefox. Create a new program item. I'm going to call it Firefox. I'm going to start it in the Firefox directory, and we're going to browse for this. It's going to be Firefox.exe is the one that we want. Hit OK. There we go. Alright, well, let's see. I was thinking that the cursor with the hourglass was kind of weird with it, because they were the same size in your version and side by side. There we go. Hey, we got Firefox. It's not exactly fast, but okay, yeah, it's an encrypted page. Yeah, because it uses a security protocol that this version isn't able to. Yeah, let's not do that for at the moment. It doesn't really matter that much. Huh. Firefox browser. And this is HTTPS connection. Look at that. This one supports enough TLS 1.0 stuff. Let's see. Where would preferences be at? Well, let's look at this. About Mozilla Firefox 2.0.0.22. Windows it even identifies that it's on Windows NT 3.51. Anyways, here it says get the latest Firefox to block over 2,000 instructions. Your system doesn't meet the requirements. What are the requirements to run Firefox? Good, it is running Firefox, but it isn't running the latest Firefox, so it obviously doesn't meet the system requirements to run the latest version of Firefox. Let's see what it says. Doesn't exactly look the best, but it needs at least Windows 7 with at least a Pentium 4 with 512 megabytes of RAM. Well, I'm emulating a 486 with 256 megabytes of RAM running Windows NT 3.51, and I'm running Firefox. Old Firefox, but running Firefox nevertheless. Anyway, let's go to, you have to go here, of course. I mean, come on. Okay, yeah, it's an unencrypted page. And look, it still works. Alright, see if the YouTube channel loads. Come on. Alright, so you didn't click it hard enough or something. Now let's see. How is YouTube loading, huh? I mean, it is loading. Back when YouTube did Flash, somebody was able to run it like this. And my channel art is ugly in 16 colors. And most photographs are. Obviously, it can't play a video. This is not an HTML5 supporting browser. HTML5 supporting version. But it is a lot newer. Oh, it's options under tools, of course. How I didn't know that. Oh, and it's just a dialogue rather than. Alright, let's see. Would it be under privacy? Huh. See, look. These don't keep history forever. Look at that. Security. I think this is the one. Advanced. Yeah, it's definitely under advanced. Yeah, it's only got TLS 1.0. Which, it's going away. They're going to disable it soon. But, at least at this point, you can look at coronavirus news on Windows NT 3.51, which was released in like 1994 or 95. Look at that. WHO warns of a second peak. Anyway, I think that's about all I wanted to do. Yeah. Windows NT 3.51, that's a pretty nice OS. But anyways, I think I'm going to leave this video here. Adios.